Good day, everyone. Okay, today we are going to continue with the word problem regarding the union of sets because in the live lesson last time, right? We don't have enough time to discuss the more complicated problem regarding the union of sets. Therefore, I've prepared one questions which I think it is quite challenging to discuss with all of you, and I'm going to pick two questions that your friend is asking regarding the assignment, okay, from the assignment 4.2 self-practice 4.2C. Alright, so get ready. We're going to discuss three questions together. Alright, so this is the word problem in this chapter there are very popular questions that will come up in the exam. So please pay attention. Anything that you are not sure, don't understand, please don't hesitate to give the feedback to me in the Google Classroom and ask me. Alright, I'm going to make the video to explain. Okay, if I cannot explain in the Google Classroom using words, okay, I'm going to make the video like this. Alright, so let's go. Right, this is the question I picked, which I wish to discuss with all of you. Alright, so we're going to read the questions together. Right, in a group of 36 teachers, 6 of them prefer both apples and mangoes. The number of the teachers who prefer apple is 3 times the number of the teachers who prefer mangoes. Okay, if 2 teachers prefer neither apples nor mangoes, okay, find the number of the teachers who prefer mango and apples only. Right? So here we go. Okay, again, let me emphasize that it is important for you to list down the information in point form before you draw the Venn diagram. So I'm going to write down here. Right? Right, I'm right here. Okay, so here we go. Okay. So in a group of 36 teachers, so the total is 36, right? Total equals to 36. Right? So what is the next information? 6 of them prefer both apple and mango. Apple and mangoes. Okay, apple and mango equals to 6. Right? Next information. The number of the teachers who prefer apple is 3 times the number of the teachers who prefer mango. Okay, so a number is not given to us directly. Therefore, it is important for us to create the unknown. Okay, let's say the number of the teacher who prefer mangoes is X, right? Mango equals to X. Okay, let's say mango is X, right? Therefore, apple would be the number of the teacher who prefer the apple would be 3 times the mangoes, right? Therefore, it is 3x, right? 3x here, right? Have I listed everything? Okay, 2 teachers prefer neither, right? 2 teacher neither. Okay, let's say neither equals to 2, right? Is that all? Yeah, that's all, right? All the information. Okay, now I can create the Venn diagram that I need to solve the problem, right? So I'm going to draw out the Venn diagram. Okay, so there are actually basically 2 sets, right? Set M and set P, right? So let's say this is set M, right? Mango for set M. Okay, let me go for a little bit. Right, so M for mango, right? M for mango, and A for the apples, right? So two sets, two sets, two sets, right? One more, right? And one rectangle to encircle everything. Okay, I hope you can see. Right. So this is the Venn diagram. Okay, I'm going to label. This is mango, let's say, and this is apple. Right. Now I'm going to fill in the things. Okay, remember, always fill from the inside to outside. So the innermost information that I need to fill in is the intersections of M and A, right? So the number of the teachers who prefer both fruits, which is 6. Can we use the blue pen? So this is 6. All right. How about mangoes? How about mangoes? Okay, now I can fill the outer layers, right? So mango, okay, according to the information that I list down, X, right? But I cannot straight away write the X because there is no only, there is no the keyword only, right? So this should be X minus 6, right? So apple should be 3X minus 6. Okay, if you understand the lesson, the life lesson last time, you should be able to know why we minus 6 in both sets. Alright, so what is the last information that I need to fill in? Neither. There are 2 teachers prefer neither fruits, right? So the 2 should be outside. Now let's look back at the questions again. Find the number of the teachers who prefer mangoes only. Prefer mangoes, which is X, right? Prefer mangoes. So I need to find the values of X. So what do you think? What do you suggest that we need to, what equation that we need to create to solve for the X, to find the value for the X? Okay, did you see the last information that I have right here? Total equals to 36, right? So you should know the meaning of total. It means that the number in the Venn diagram, the expression in the Venn diagram, if I add up all the expression and number in the Venn diagram, it should be added up to 36. So this is the equation. Okay, I'm going to use the black pen. Okay, so this is the equation here. So let me mark for A. Let me go for a bit smaller. Right. So A. So what is the equation? X minus 6 plus 6 plus 3x minus 6 plus 2 equals to 36. So solve for this. Okay, I'm going to simplify the left hand side. So x plus 3x, 4x, minus 6 plus 6, 0, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4, right, equals to 36. Okay, move the negative 4 to the right hand side, equals to 40. So x equals to 10. Okay, there you go. You have your answer for A already. So the number of the teachers who prefer mango is 10. Right? So let's look back at the questions again. What is B? Find the number of the teacher who prefer apple only. Apple only. So look at the Venn diagram. Look at the Venn diagram. Which part in the Venn diagram indicates the number of the teacher who prefer apple only? Okay, I purposely emphasize only. So which part? Okay, let me use the red pen to highlight it. 3x minus 6, right? So these parts is apple only. Okay, apple only. So can I find the 3x minus 6? Yes, you can, because you just got the values of x in A, right? So there we go. So let me go, okay, here. Okay, again I'm going to use the black pen. Okay, B. So 3x minus 6 equals to the numbers of the teachers who prefer apples only, right? So substitute x equals to 10 into the equations. So 30 minus 6, the answer is 24. There we go. We have the answer already. So 24 teachers prefer apples only. Alright? So this is the example. Not too difficult, is it? So the steps. Okay, remember the steps. The steps is, first step, list down all the information clearly with the keyword only where necessary. Second step, draw the Venn diagram. Fill in the information from inside to outside. C. Solve your problem. Alright? So now let's move on to the question that your friend asked. Alright? Okay, this one. Self-practice 4.2C question number 3. Okay, this question is in your assignment. Alright, if you haven't done your assignment, please go and look back for the assignment, question 3. Okay, we are going to discuss this question together, alright? So during Independent Month celebration, the school organized, okay, let me highlight it. Important things, right? The school organized dramas activities. Okay, so we have 3 sets, right? Drama, patriotic song singing, and quiz. Right? Okay, let me highlight the keywords. Okay, drama, singing, and quiz, right? So 40 pupils involved in the activities. 1/2. 1/2 means 1/2 of 40, right? Which is 20. Okay, later we will talk about that. 1/2 pupils participate in the drama. Okay, this is the keyword. 1/4 of the pupils participate in the singing. 6 pupils participate in the drama. And quiz. Okay, this is important. And quiz. There's no word only. Okay, word only is very important. 1 pupil participate in all the 3 activities. No pupils participate in drama and singing only. Okay, the word only. No pupils participate in singing and quiz only. How many pupils participate in the history quiz only? Okay, again, it may look messy, the information, but trust me, list down the first step, list down all the information. List down all the information, alright? So there we go. Informations. Move now here a bit. Right. So there we go. So the total is 40, right? Okay, let me type up the total. Total equals to 40. 40. Okay, next piece of the information. What is the next piece of the information? Okay. 1/2 of the pupils participate in a drama. Okay, drama, right? Okay, let's go drama. Drama equals to what? 1/2. 1/2 of the pupils. 1/2 of 40 is what? 20, right? Half of the 40 is 20. Right? 20. Right? There we go. Next one. What is the next one? 1/4 of the pupils participate in singing. Okay, let's go singing. Alright, here, singing. Okay, just like sing, right? Sing. 1/4 of 40 is what? 1/4 of 40 is 10, right? It's 10. Alright, there we go. Sing is 10. Okay, next, 6 pupils participate in drama and quiz. Drama and quiz. 6, right? Drama and quiz. Drama and quiz. Drama and quiz equals to 6. Right? What else? Drama and quiz 6. Okay. 1 pupil participate in all 3 activities. Okay, all 3. All 3. All. Okay, let's type all equals to 1, right? 1. Okay, there we go. What else? There's no pupils who participate in drama and singing only. No pupils. Okay, no pupils means 0, right? drama and singing. All right, so let's go. Drama, singing, and sing. 0, right? 0, 0. And the next one is no pupil participate in singing and quiz only. Let me make it smaller. All right. Singing and quiz also no pupil. Okay, singing and quiz no pupil. Singing and quiz, sing and quiz. All right, sing and quiz. 0 as well. All right, is that all? Is that all the information already? Let me check. All right, good. So we didn't miss anything. Now you can draw the Venn diagram, right? Okay, let's draw the Venn diagram. Let me go. Okay, let me draw it over here. All right, let me draw it over here. So I have 3 sets, right? I should have 3 sets. Set drama, set sing, and set quiz, right? So drama, right? Right? One more. And right? There we go. So let me fill in everything. Dramas for D, right? And sing for S, and quiz for Q. Alright, so let me fill in the numbers. Okay, let us fill in the numbers together. So again, remember, fill in from inside to outside. So what is the inside? All, right? All. Right? So all, let's fill in the all first. 1, okay, sorry about that. 1, okay. 1 pupil participate in all the 3 activities. Okay. How about the others, right? So I know that, oh, sorry. When I list down the informations, right? I didn't put the word only, right? So let's go for the only. Okay, this is only. And this is also only. Alright? Drama and quiz is not only, right? Okay. Very important. Okay, very important. Sorry about that. So let's fill really quickly the intersection of 2 sets. Okay, look at the first one, drama and quiz. So 6 pupils participate in drama and quiz. So these parts over here, is 6 because there's no word only, right? So it includes 1. Therefore, there are only 5 pupils participate in drama and quiz only. Alright, next one, drama and sing only, 0. Drama and sing only, 0, right? Okay, you can put a 0 over there. Sing and quiz only, also 0. Alright, good. So now we can fill the outer ring. Drama, how about drama? Drama only, okay. So according to the information that we list down, there are 20 pupils participate in drama. There's no only, right? So therefore, this part over here is 20 minus 0 minus 1 minus 5. So the answer is what? 14, right? 14. So this is 14. How about the next one? Sing. We have 10 participate in singing. So therefore, this part over here is 10 minus 1. Minus 0, of course, right? Therefore, the answer is 9. Alright? So what else? So, all the information is inside already, right? All the information is inside. Okay, right. So, how about the numbers in the outside? Do we have the students who do not participate in anything? Do we have that? Okay, the answer is no, because, okay, let me highlight it for you. Because the question mentions already 40 pupils are involved in the activities. There is no pupil there's no pupil who didn't involve in anything. Therefore, outside should be 0 or nothing, okay, or just nothing. Therefore, we can actually find the number of the participants. Okay, let's say this is X. Number of the pupils who participate in the quiz only, which is the X, right? So tell me, how to find X? Okay, since that we know that there are a total of 40 pupils, right? And there's no pupil who didn't participate in anything, we can use the 40 minus all the other numbers, right? Right? So let's go. Okay, let's go for that. Right. So total there are 40. Okay, let me use the blue pen. So numbers of the quiz only. Okay, quiz only. So 40 minus 14 minus 5 minus 1 minus 0 minus 0 minus 9, and that is your answer. Okay, let me quickly press the calculator, and the answer is 11. Alright, so there you go. Okay, there you have it. There are 11 pupils who participate in the history quiz only. Alright, so again, if you need to rewatch this part, go ahead. Okay, pause the video and go ahead and read the question again. Right, so now we move on to the same self-practice 4.2c, and this is a very popular question that asked by many of you. Right, question 5, self-practice 4.2c. Right, so let's quickly read the questions together. The Form 4 pupils who are involved in recycling program, all right, manage to collect. Let me highlight while I'm reading. Right, all newspaper, plastic bottles, and tins. Okay, this is a 3 sets questions already. So 72 pupils collect plastic bottles, 36 pupils collect all newspaper, 25 pupils collect tin, 20 pupils collect newspaper and plastic bottles, 8 pupils collect all newspapers and tins, 18 pupils collect plastic bottles and tins, 7 pupils collect all the 3 types of the material. Calculate the total of the number of the pupils who are involved in the program. Alright, so first step, list down the information in point form. Okay, let me quickly do that. Zoom out, pull it at the left hand side here, and let's go. Right, so I don't know the total, which is the question want me to find the total, right? So 72 pupils collect plastic bottles. Plastic, alright. So let's go for plastic, right? Plastic is 20. Sorry, what is the numbers again? Plastic is 72. Okay, 72. Where is the 7? Okay, 72. Right? 72. Okay, next one. 36 pupils collect all newspaper equals to 36. Right? Next one. Okay. Okay, let me quickly read. Okay. Here, this one. Here. What else? 25 pupils collects tins, right? Tin, right? Tins is 25. Next one. 20 pupils collect all newspaper and plastic. Okay, newspapers and plastic. Plastic equals to 20. Next, 8 pupils collect newspapers and tin. Okay, newspapers and tin. Newspapers and tin, how many? 8. Okay, next piece of the informations. 18 pupils collect plastic and tins. Plastics and tin. Plastic and tin is 18. Okay, last information. All three types collected is 7, right? 7. Right, let me move down a bit to make it nicer. Right here. Alright, so there we go. Okay, there we have it. I've list down all the information. Alright, so next step. What is the next step? Construct the Venn diagram. Let's move down here. Alright, this is the information. Okay, we have 3 sets. Therefore, I'm going to construct 3 circles. 3 circles here. First circle. Okay, let me draw it over here. Okay, so that you can see better. Okay, first circle over here, second circle over here, third circle over here. Alright, is it okay? So, don't forget the question is asking the number of the participants in total, right? So we are going to assume there is no pupils who didn't collect anything, because if that pupils did not collect anything, he didn't participate in the recycling program, right? So therefore we are going to assume 0 pupils collect nothing. Right, now let's start to fill in. From inside to outside. So the innermost information is, let me use the blue pen, 7, right? So this is a 7, right? Okay, let me label. Okay, I forget to label. Okay, let's say this is newspaper, this is plastic, and this is tin, right? NPT, right? So now, how many pupils collected newspapers and tin only? Okay, I want to fill in this part here. So newspapers and tin only. The information that I have is 8. But you cannot straight away put the 8 over here. Wrong. Because there is no word only, right? So what is the answer? 8 minus, this part should be 8 minus 7. See that? So this is 1. Right, next part. Plastic and tin, 18. Plastic and tin is 18, right? So this part is 18 minus 7. The answer is 11. Get that? Because there is no word only in the information, I need to minus out the O, right? How about this part? Newspapers and plastic, 20 minus 7, which is 13. Okay, are you seeing this? Okay, good. Now we fill in the rest, the outer ring. How about the newspaper? Newspaper only. So 36 minus 13. Sorry about that. 36 minus 13 minus 7 minus 1. Right? So calculator, 36 minus 13 minus 7 minus 1, which is 15. Okay, this part is 15. How about the tin only? 25 minus 11 minus 7 minus 1, right? So push your calculator. Answer is 6. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Alright. How about this part? Plastic only, 72. Okay, let me 72 minus what? 13 minus 7 minus 11, right? 72 minus 13 minus 11. 41. So this part is 41. Now, I have all the information I need already. Okay, the Venn diagram that I'm drawing here is very messy because all the operation. Right? Okay, let me wipe this off. Let me wipe this off really quickly. Wipe. Okay, very terrible. Alright, it's okay. Let me highlight. Okay, to find the total number of the pupils who are involved in the program. Okay, I'm going to highlight it for you in red. Okay, in orange. The number that you need to add: 15, 41, 6, 11, 7, 1, and 13. Okay, the total of the highlighted number is the total of number of the participants. Right? So let's go. I'm going to use the black pen. Right? So total numbers of the participants equals to 15 plus 6 plus 41 plus 11 plus 7 plus 1 plus 13. Okay, press the calculator. 15 plus 6 plus 41 plus, the number is 94. So in conclusion, 94, there is a total of 94 pupils participates in the recycling program. Alright, I hope my explanations is understandable, especially for those who actually ask the questions, and hopefully this video will be a lot of help for you. Okay, again, I'm very welcome for all the feedback regarding your assignments. Alright, so don't hesitate to ask in the Google Classroom. I will try my best to explain the question and the answer with you using the Google Classroom. If not, I will make a video like today. Alright, so along with this video, I'm going to assign another homework, just a quiz for you to quickly do it so that you further enhance your knowledge about the word problem regarding the intersections and the union of sets. Alright, so that's all for today. Ciao.